Merge sort. If array dot length is less than 2, checks if the array has less than 2 elements. Arrays with 1 or no elements are initially sorted, so no further action is needed. Return stops the processing if the array is already sorted. And the int mid finds the middle index of the array. This is where the array will be split into halves. And then the int left and array int right. Int left creates a new array to hold the left half of the input array. The right creates a new array to hold the right half of the input array. And then the system array copy. It copies elements from the original array into the left and the right subarrays. Array 0 left 0 mid copies the first mid elements into the left array. Array mid right 0 array that length minus mid copies the remaining elements into the right array. And then the merge sort method. Merge sort left recursively sorts the left half of the array. Right merge sort right recursively sorts the right of the array. And then merge array merges the two sorted halves left and right back into the original array. And then the merging function. Private static void merge. So int I, j, and k initializes pointers. I tracks the current index of the left array. J tracks the current index of the right array. And k tracks the current index of the array where elements are merged. Then the loop. While the I is less than left that length and j is less than right that length, loops until all elements from one of the subarrays left or right are processed. If left I is less than or equals to right j, if the current element in left is smaller or equal to the right, it is placed into array k. The I and k pointers are incremented. Else, if the current element in right is smaller, it is placed into array k. The j and k pointers are incremented. While I is less than left that length, adds any remaining elements from the left array into the array if right is fully processed. While j is less than right that length, adds any remaining elements from the right array into array if left is fully processed. The utility function. Printing method. For int num iterates through each element in the array. System.out.print num plus print each element followed by a space, and moves to the new line after printing the array. And the main method. Int array initializes an array to be sorted. Print array prints the original array. And the merge sort array sorts the array using the merge sort algorithm. Print array prints the sorted array.